Good evening, folks, or good afternoon. It's 4:30 p.m. Today is February 10th, 2023, and it's a Friday. So today we are going to take exhaustion pullback short from levels above 4077. Okay, and may be able to take reactionary long if price is coming from below 4077, way below. Then we can take a reactionary long up to certain points, maybe 85, maybe 98, and then we can short. That's the whole idea in a nutshell that we discuss in this code. Okay, 70% favoring shorts, 30% long, or keep it simple, below Globex high stick with sellers. Okay, and these are the Dows and Russell's level. This is a high of the day, this is a high of the day, and dream number 402, 425. So dream numbers are very powerful. You can see it here, they to the tick they become the high of the day. So this is where I was talking in Discord that sometimes dream number to the tick it can become high and low of the day. Okay, and then that's a preferred sellers area, important area, exhaustion into that above 77 you can take shorts, right? But we were not trading after 10-15, so our trading was done right here in this price action, and you can see it preferred buyers area here in NQ 252, 212, held it also, right? It's important level here also, preferred buyers area pretty much held it, and 64 was important. That from Discord, that 64 is important, that we discussed actually on February, I think February 3rd or 4th. At that time I said 64 is important, or maybe February 5th or so, and I'm waiting for 64, and this week close above 64, below 64, or 4160 below or above. So I can see now 64 held it today, so but anyway, so that record is there in Discord, but in the morning I was walking through the price, all this price section I was walking the guys through it in the Discord. So I said 85 above 77, right? So here when price bounced straight up from 77 is our expected bounce, either buyers can buy it right here or sellers can sell it. So here buyers bought it, price went from 77 straight to 85, so 85 was the important level, right? And I was expecting if there is a red close below 4085, then it's a good start for sellers, right? So since price hit there, I made it hurry, so I actually shorted it 85, but I said, what, I'm going to put a tight stop at 87, and then so price stopped me out, like first trade stopped me out, but then I also said, I'm watching it, because if price doesn't go far away and it's trying to get a rejection, because sometimes it happen, good level is 85, but it can poke, stop you out and then go down. So here see 5 minute is clear, see that? So but since I had a tight stop me out, but I said in Discord, even though if it goes down again, below 87, I will take the short, or 85. The moment it went down, I took the short right there again, so and then I targeted this 75, and then I willed out. So here I said it may reverse because 77 is important level, right? So it reversed. Then I said, what, at this point after looking at this down move, all the day traders will short it right at 78. That is what I explained. But I said, what, it's too risky because price will play the game and it will trap them and it will reverse, and it damn thing reverse, right? So anyway, we built out here. So and then I said it will go above 81, right? So it went above 81. I said now those guys are messed up, and then people will buy it here, and people will buy it here also, because they are chasing towards gap fill, that's what they are thinking. I said they may get screwed again, and then boom, it went down, right? Here I said now we can take short when it went down, right? So here now we took the short, and when it went to 70, I said, what, something is not right, bail out. So because NQ was touching, I think NQ was touching this level 290, it was a line, right? Both are into same support, and it was a divergence. ES was making lower low, NQ was not making lower low, right? So actually both were making lower low, right? Yeah. So but anyway, it was a level. Actually Russell was also hitting a support or something, but anyway, I said 70 because of this congestion here, right, it it may bounce, because this morning price action was suggesting that both sides are active. Yeah. So we built out right at this 70-71 area, and then price bounced. See, here we called it a day off, right here, no? And then we didn't trade it, this all these things, right? But you can see it, this 98. Actually, when I was here about to close, right, I said 98, watch for fail breakout here, you know, and if that is the case, you can short target this 78 again. You know? So that was a short here. Actually we discussed it and then we closed it, you know, something, but there was a short here, you know, and that's it. Then I didn't even bother to, you know, look all these things. So I'm not going to discuss all these things right now, but it's basically fail breakdown below 77, buyers were stepping in, fail breakout above 98, sellers were stepping in. That is all it was doing, and then it was rotating around this 86 important level. You know, we already discussed this thing in this call. So that is all it was doing, like below buy, above short, back to 85, taking profit, and back and forth. That is what all it was, the price action was about today, you know. And so that be all, you know, and I'll see you tomorrow or Monday, actually not tomorrow. And now see, closing came at 98. Ideally I wanted to see closing below 86 for sellers, you know, but I was expecting, because this is a higher time frame support across the board, you know, all 4 indexes. So there is a reason for a price bounce, you know, holding it, which makes sense. But the question here now, short term sellers versus higher time frame support, that is what it's going on right now. So by Monday or Tuesday, you know, I wanted to see price trading below 77 once again, or 86. If that is the case, then we have to assume sellers are still there. If price does not go back below 86 or 77 again, let us sell below 1916 or 1925, you know, then we have to assume buyers are back in the business for again short term, you know, and that be all for today.